Cooler than expected inflation sent markets surging to fresh all-time highs. It propelled the S&P to finish the week up almost 2%. Let's quickly recap the week. Markets popped on Monday with investors optimistic for earnings and the end-of-week inflation report. Tuesday was flat despite more decent earning reports. But then Wednesday slipped after Netflix's earnings disappointed, as well as new AI investment concerns with Meta's AI layoff. However, Thursday rebounded after the White House confirmed the US-China meeting for next week. Finally, Friday's big inflation report. It was the first major data release since the shutdown began and had halted all of the official government data. This report was released for Social Security cost of living adjustments, so don't expect anything more in the future until the shutdown is over. Both headline and core inflation came in lower than expected as goods and services cooled from last month. And cue the rally. Markets surged Friday, pushing the S&P to new all-time highs. We also got weaker consumer sentiment data falling more than expected. However, that was completely overshadowed by the inflation news. So what's next? Well, we're heading back into an economic data drought next week outside of consumer confidence on Tuesday. But it's also the heart of earnings season. We have 18 of our coverage names reporting, so expect plenty of company-specific volatility. Stay tuned for more next week, and we'll have a deeper dive into the CPI report over the weekend.